Welcome to the front lines, pilot. This is Forward Outpost Charlie, your home away from home here on the frontier. Command's claimed this planet for the United Star Systems. Only problem is the gangers think it belongs to them. Something to do with the way the SESH programmed it. Remnant forces fold in on the regular to pepper us with beam cannons. Add that to the pirates harassing the space miners up the well, you're gonna see some serious action sooner rather than later. Speak of the devil. I'd give you the full tour, but them klaxons are telling me the tower controls are lit up like a Christmas tree. Gear up and scramble. We've got incoming!
Hi, I'm Ben from Second Dynasty, and I'm thrilled to introduce our latest project, Operation Maelstrom. With the support of our incredible tribers, we've designed 8 amazing aerospace vehicles. Highly detailed and inspired by our favorite influences, each of these models can be printed in less than a day. From sleek, deadly fighters to nimble combat choppers, versatile utility vehicles, and even alien invaders. Operation Maelstrom offers a range of options for your sci-fi universe. But that's not all. Customize your craft with a plethora of accessories and weapon systems. You can also build a modular prefab outpost, complete with landing pads and a control tower. By backing our campaign, you not only get access to these incredible 3D printable models, but you also become part of our passionate community, shaping the future of tabletop gaming and sci-fi modeling. So go gear up, pilot, and join Operation Maelstrom. Pledge your support today and let's make it a reality.